Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is the face and voice of Boss About Teaching. On behalf of We Still Learn, and of course, parents still learn, teachers still learn, students still learn. Therefore, all are we still learn. So, yeah, I'm trying to get my face to look at the phone because apparently, you see what's happening. Yeah. So anyhow, courtesy of the S show, right? So I have to give him credit, right? He always asks what this puzzle is saying. In fact, I'm going to add an element to this that probably might make it a little more fair, right? I'm going to make it a mix of hangman with. So I'm gonna combine the element of hangman with his puzzles, right? So that way there's a greater degree of fun to it. So what he will say is what this puzzle is saying, and what we will say is fill in the blanks. Help us to fill in the blanks. So something like this. Yeah, you get the drift, right? There we go. So something like that, right? Fill in the blanks. What would this be saying to us? There's more. I'm actually going to put one that's a little more difficult than this one. But you know what? I'll save that for the next reel. Yeah, this is a bit awkward. I do apologize for it. But yes. So, the host of the S show would say to you, what's this puzzle saying? But what we will do at We Still Learn is ask you, fill in the blanks. You know, let it be a mix of what Wheel of Fortune meets the S show's puzzles. Right? I mean, I didn't come up with it, but you know, it's fun to incorporate them in our brain teasers and puzzles. So, you know, get the kids thinking, right? So, this is one of the ways we have fun. It's really fun to watch them guess and struggle to get the right answer, and then you have to guide them. Yeah. So I've been, you know, I've seen a lot of success with this form of engagement. So looking forward to doing and again, you're invited to actually, you know, do some recordings with us and actually solve them here with us. So if you know the answer to this, or you want to answer this, then you can be a part of this video and help us to answer this, because I'm not even sure what the answer is. So if you know, leave a comment and say when you want to join, and we'll make a video and you'll solve it. You'll help us to solve this.